Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Removing an attendee from an Outlook meeting is a common task for many professionals. Sometimes project goals change or a team member is no longer needed for a specific discussion. Knowing how to manage your calendar efficiently saves time for everyone involved. First, open your Outlook application and navigate to the calendar view. Find the specific meeting you want to modify on your schedule. Double-click the event to open the full meeting window. Look at the list of participants in the required or optional fields. To remove someone, simply click their name and press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can click the small X icon next to their email address. If you prefer using the scheduling assistant, click that tab at the top of the window. Locate the person you wish to remove from the list on the left side. Click the checkbox or the X to take them off the invite list. After you have removed the person, you must save your changes. Click the Send Update button located in the top left corner of the screen. A small window will appear with two options for sending the update. You should select the option to send updates only to added or deleted attendees. This ensures that you do not bother the other participants with unnecessary notifications. Once you click OK, the meeting is updated and the person is officially removed from the event. This simple process helps keep your meetings organized and relevant for all participants. Your calendar is now accurate and ready for your next big project update today.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.